First question. What is your age? Mongo, you start.
14.
14? Mine is also 14.
11.
11?
Yeah.
What about you, Raptor?
14.
14. Okay. Are you willing to make content about the server? You start, Mongo.
I can try, but I don't know if I can or have time.
Okay, fine. I will do it if it's needed. What about you, Shadow?
Yeah, probably if needed as well.
Okay. You, Raptor.
If I get in, yes.
Okay. Are you typically peaceful on the SMPs?
Yeah, I'm pretty peaceful.
Okay, I'm also peaceful. You, Shadow.
Yeah, I'm pretty peaceful.
What about you, Raptor?
I'm peaceful, but if people start killing me, I will kill them.
Kinda same with me. How good at Minecraft are you? Number 8. Number 1. Death banned on first day. Number 10. Literally the goat. You start, Mongo.
I'll probably say like a 4 maybe.
A 4? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll say like a 5. I'm practicing maze right now, but I'm not that good at it. The only thing I'm fine at is sword. What about you, Shadow?
I'd say a 5. I only recently started.
Okay. What about you, Raptor?
Probably 6.
6. Okay. What is your Minecraft username? You start, Mongo.
Mongo Django.
Okay. Mine is Wilbur1. What about you, Shadow?
With the Wi-Fi?
What?
Wait, Minecraft username, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Mad French Boy.
Okay. What about you, Raptor?
Raptor Gaming 026.
Okay. What is your Discord username? Not display name. You start, Mongo.
Also Mongo Django.
Okay. Mine is void underscore gaming 0391. What about you, Shadow?
Shadow 09 and Shadow 09000813.
Okay. What about you, Raptor?
GEBW 13.
Okay. What is your time zone? My time zone? Oh no, Mongo.
Oh god.
I'm in Europe.
That's not a time zone.
Time zone it
In
is east slash CET or CEST. Same with me. What about you, Shadow?
Wait, I actually have no idea what my time zone is. Europe. I don't know.
Ah, okay. It doesn't matter. What about you, Raptor?
CEST.
CET. Okay.
Oh, CEST. It
What
says on Google.
days of the week are you able to play on the server?
I'll probably say like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, maybe.
Okay. I
Maybe a
can
little less on Friday.
little less on Friday. Got it. I can probably every day.
Uh,
You,
I could
Shadow.
probably say like Thursday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Uh,
Raptor.
I can play every day too.
Okay. Next question. How long are you able to play on the server on the days you are available? You start, Mongo.
Like 1 to 3 hours, maybe.
Okay. I'm 2 to 4 hours. What about you, Shadow?
Yeah, I'd say 2 to 4 hours.
Okay. Raptor?
Probably 2 to 5 hours.
Okay. What do you want to achieve on this server?
Fun SMP, I guess.
SMP?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or a server, lifesteal server.
I don't really have anything I want to achieve, just trying to be the best person I can and learn Minecraft. What about you,
Oh.
Shadow?
I just want to get a mace.
You just want to get a mace. Raptor?
Same with Shadow, and I don't really have a goal yet.
Okay, fine. What do you think you can personally contribute to this server? Skills, personality.
My personality.
Yeah? Okay. I'm fine at building, so that's one of the things I can server with.
Holy leg.
I'll say it again. I'm fine at building, so that's one of the things I can help the server with. You, Shadow.
I guess I could help with any fights. I guess they're probably skills.
Yeah? Okay. You, Raptor.
Personality and some skill.
Personality and skill. Okay. Why should we invite you over other people?
'Cause I'm a peaceful guy. I'm not like a bloodthirsty guy like Raptor, who I think is a little bloodthirsty right now. But yeah.
You should invite me because I love Minecraft community and does not harm anybody. I'm just a chill dude. You, Shadow.
Yeah, I guess I just like Minecraft in general.
Okay?
Oh yeah, sorry.
It's you, Raptor.
What was the question again?
The question is, why should we invite you over other people?
Because I'm playing much. A fun guy, I guess.
Okay, you're very active and a fun guy.
Yeah, I'm very active.
What is an interesting fact about you?
I actually started playing on a Nintendo, so
Great.
a long time ago, and like a year or two ago, I started playing PC.
Okay. I didn't actually like Minecraft the first time, but I really like it now. You, Shadow.
I used to play Minecraft on the PlayStation.
Wow.
I deleted it quite a few times and then bought it on PC for some reason.
Oh, okay. You, Raptor.
I played 3.5 years on PlayStation and Minecraft and 3 years on the computer.
Okay, next question. What are some hobbies you're interested in?
Lagging again,
Like
I didn't hear.
What?
in Minecraft, I'll say probably building.
In Minecraft, you say probably building. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't hear the question.
What are some hobbies / interests you have?
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm interested in football. What about you, Shadow?
Just playing games in general.
Oh, sorry.
What? Oh, you hit me. What do you say,
Sorry,
Shadow?
Just playing games. Just playing video games.
Okay. What about you, Raptor?
PvP in Minecraft and playing.
Playing PvP in Minecraft. Okay.
I'll say also snowboarding in like real life.
Snowboarding. Cool. Have you answered all the questions truthful and to the best of your ability? You start, Mongo.
Yeah, I would say probably really truthfully.
Okay. I also did truthfully. You, Shadow. that's it for the video.